Hey, what's up everyone? This is Cowboy B over here at Wet Jet Performance. Just got through installing our new storage compartment for the sparks. A couple of these are out. Ours is carbon fiber, so it's gonna be strong, last up to the water, because I don't care what anybody say, it's still gonna get in the element. You can't use any cheap filament. So this is carbon fiber filament. And as you see here, it fits on the inside, no problem. This phone is bigger than an iPhone. This is an Android. Just showing you, it fits in here. You take this coupler, squeeze it in there. Take another coupler, squeeze it in there. Take another coupler, squeeze it in there. Smash it all down. So not only do you have more room for your storage compartment and more room for your phone, because that's really all everybody wants, you got more room for stuff if you need it. So I don't recommend putting that much stuff in there, because you got on a spark, you ain't running away from home. You're just trying to be out on the water. Put your phone in here, get you a Wet Jet Performance pouch, and put your phone in it. So it doesn't bounce around. So you get you a piece of foam or the pouch that has the pad in it, because when you ride, this thing's gonna bounce around everywhere, but you can fit your iPhone in there, no problem. I got an iPhone 15, fits no problem. You can even fit one of those flip phones in here. I don't know what they're called, but they're made by Samsung. It's a fold out screen. I think it's like a Fold Z. That even fits in here too. And we make one that's bigger, but this is the one that I think everybody's gonna end up with, because it's big enough for what you need and no problems at all. So this has been Cowboy B. You can go to that website. These are on sale for Easter weekend for $45 shipped to your door in the USA. Peace.